I have a Troy-Bilt portable generator 6000 watts 8250 starting watts. Generator puts out on the 120 but not the 240. Bought in November 2012, used one time.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Troy-Bilt generator? How old is it?
Bought in 2012 and used once for several hours. Kept in dry basement. No maintenance.
How long has this been going on with your Troy-Bilt generator? What have you tried so far?
Started when I tried to use it recently. Checked all the wires in the generator and house extension cord.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nothing I can think of right now.
Hello, my name is. I am going to assist you with this. What is the model number of the genset?
30475A.
Okay. On the 120 volts receptacles, do you have power on both the top half and bottom half, or do you only have power to one or the other?
I have both, top and bottom half.
The way this unit is wired, power comes from the stator, through the 240 volts breaker, and to the 240 volts receptacle. From the 240 volts receptacle, one hot wire jumps over to the top halves of the 120 volts receptacles, and the other hot wire jumps over to the bottom half of the receptacles. So if you have 120 volts on both the top halves and bottom halves of the receptacles, but not at the 240 volts receptacle, there are only a few possibilities. 1. Someone has rewired the 240 volts receptacle and done it incorrectly. 2. One of the wires has come loose from the 240 volts receptacle. 3. You are not testing it correctly. Check the wiring at the 240 volts receptacle. Make sure all wires are firmly connected, and that they are connected to the proper screws.
Problem was wrong wiring. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.